And welcome to this strategy. This strategy is one of my favorite strategy because it helps investors who are struggling to actually get into the property ladder. It's an absolute amazing strategy. I love it. I've implemented it. I've used it. It has also helped change my life. It is called sourcing. It is deal packaging, one of my favorite. It is the process by which an investor who is cash poor or simply do not have enough money to buy property. It could also be for an individual who's only interested in sourcing properties for their own investors who they've got and they want to provide these deals to. It could be an investor who's also viewed so many properties, maybe 20 odd properties, but can only buy one property or couple or few. He or she can then pass the other properties for a small fees to other investors that may be interested in that sort of deal. Deal sourcing is also a great strategy for people with bad credit rating. If your credit is worse, is bad, this is the strategy for you, right? It's also good for under 18s, people who cannot get a mortgage, for example, and people who cannot buy a property for whatever reason. So this is basically suitable for anyone who wants to go into property. This process allows them to learn about property, which is vital, and make money along the way. Therefore, he or she can source, negotiate, and package the property deal and sell it on to investors. A good source deal can generate between £2,000 to £100,000. I've seen it, guys. Right, if you source a good deal, it could be a house, it could be a hotel, it could be an apartment, it could be a golf course. If you source it nicely, you could make lots of money out of it. It's lucrative, right? It is very, very, very good. If a 17-year-old can make £2,000 a month, that's really good, huh? For someone with that age or someone with a bad credit rating. This strategy doubles and triples your income and can definitely make you financially free. It's all about implementing it, knowing what you need to do to get this deal. I source and package between 2 to 6 deals a month since 2017, and you can do exactly the same too. I started with limited experience helping out friends after I've learned the course and grow out of it and start doing my own sort of deals and push it onto investors. This is a cash flow strategy that can be a way of quitting your job, a quicker way of quitting your job almost immediately. The reason being fees can be lucrative. In our next section, I will share how to spot these deals, how we can work together to also sell them. So join me in my advanced course to actually go into depth in this strategy. Trust me, you will regret it. It is an eye-opener. In the next session now, I'm going to go to the first ever strategy that gets me to financial freedom. I cannot wait to share that strategy, how to calculate, what to look for, and you can do exactly the same. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.